Yeah, there's a road that leads right here, boss.
Overnight, firefighters racing against a raging wall of flames.
I want everybody out of that town in 5 minutes.
Locked in a desperate scramble to save lives while struggling to protect their own.
You need to get moving now. The fire's coming over you.
The so-called East Troublesome Fire exploding, at times erupting at a rate of 6,000 acres an hour. That's nearly 80 football fields per minute.
The winds were strong, the fire behavior was strong. It was a challenging day.
Shutting down Rocky Mountain National Park, forcing thousands to flee.
It's getting worse.
Homeowner Carrie Ann Fain told to evacuate as the flames came rushing in.
It's bad. It's really bad.
Documenting the harrowing escape out of town. Meanwhile, the Cameron Peak Fire, the largest in state history, burned an estimated 50 structures since Monday. Tonight, the two fires only 10 miles apart. With dry conditions and red flag winds, authorities worried they could combine into a monstrous mega fire.
I know it's unfortunate that we have wildfires, but I know that people will come back and that people will build.
A wildfire crisis, unlike anything residents in the Rocky Mountain state have ever seen. Steve Patterson, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.